In this video, I am going to teach you how to add users to Meta Business Manager. So the first thing you need to do to that is to head over to a new tab and then go to meta.business.com, or you can also go to business.facebook.com in order to go over to this site. Now, if you do not have a Facebook account yet, go ahead and create one. I've already created one and already logged in into this site. Now, this is what my dashboard looks like. In order to add some users to this, what we can do is we can head over and click onto the settings option. And then into that part, it will show you the settings of your actual business account. So it will give you these options right here. We have in here the profiles, and make sure to choose in here which profile you want to add a person or a user into. I'll do that into this cute puppy one, which is my Facebook page. You can see in here the page access. Click onto this page settings option. Now this will redirect to here onto this new tab. Wait for it, and then from in there you should be able to see this. Now into this part, you can either access it from here or head back to your actual meta. In here you can see your actual business. In here you can see the users. Let's head over and click onto this people. So that's another way to go around it as well. So once you have click on people right here, you will have the ability to add some more users to your actual business portfolio. Now just wait for this to finish the loading process. Now in here you can see me. If you want to add some more users, click onto this invite people option. Then from in here, you can just enter in here the email of that person. For example, let me head over and type in here their email. Once you have typed in here their email, you can add them in here some access. You can either add a temporary access option or a permanent access. Click on next and assign them access. It can be absent integration or full control if you want. I'll head over and choose the full control. Click on next. Select the asset that will have access to this one. I'll choose this two right here, and then choose in here the partial access if you want. Click on next. Then in here, just head over and click on continue. And then once you have reviewed your invitation, click onto the send in order to send it. So that's how you add users to Meta Business Manager. I hope this video helped you out.